Good morning, all the students of class 9th for all the sections. Good morning, children, all the boys and girls, and your parents also, father and mother, सबको मेरा प्रणाम स्वीकार हो. Please open page number 46. I am your history teacher, पंडित डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा श्रीवास्तव जी. पेज नंबर 46 पर हम लोग पहुँच चुके थे. कल 45 आई हैव completed. चैप्टर 5 देखिए, द ग्लोबल इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द रशियन रिवॉल्यूशन एंड द यूएसएसआर. यूएसएसआर का हमने कहा था आपको फुल फॉर्म याद करना, यूनाइटेड सोवियत सोशलिस्ट ऑफ रिपब्लिक्स. अब हम लोग आज पढ़ेंगे पेज नंबर 47, सोर्स एफ. पेज नंबर 47 पर देखिए, एन इंडियन अराइव्स इन सोवियत रसिया इन 1920. क्लास वर्क कॉपी में नोट करेंगे और ये नोट बनाएंगे भी. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पैराग्राफ I can read. For the first time in our lives, we were seeing Europeans mixing freely and with Asians. On seeing the Russians mingling, M-I-N-G-L-I-N-G, mingling freely with the rest of the people of the country, we were convinced that we had come to a land of real equality. Paragraph 10. We saw freedom in its true light, in spite of their poverty means garibi, imposed by the counter-revolutionaries, REVOLUTIONARIES, counter-revolutionaries, and the imperialists, IMPERIALISTS. The people were more jovial and satisfied, संतुष्ट हो गए थे, than ever before. The revolution had instilled confidence and fearlessness in them. The real brotherhood of mankind would be seen here among these people of 50 different nationalities, NATIONALITIS, nationalities, no barriers, no barriers of caste or religion hindered them from mixing freely with one another. Every soul was transformed into an orator. One could see a worker, a peasant, or a soldier haranguing, HARANGUING, haranguing like a professional lecturer. Shaukat Usmani, historic trips of a revolutionary. Please note down in the classwork notebook, source G also. Rabindranath Tagore wrote from Russia in 1930. Most important paragraph. You can fill up in your homework copy also and early in the morning. अलार्म लगा कर इसको रटने का प्रयास करिए. लिख करके याद करेंगे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा. Moscow appears much less clean than the other European capitals. None of those hurrying, HURRYING, hurrying along the streets look small. The whole place belongs to the workers. Here the masses have not in the least been put in the shade by the gentlemen. Those who lived in the background for ages have come forward in the open today. I thought of the peasants and workers in my own country. It all seemed like the work of the Jenny, GNII, in the Arabian Nights. Here, only a decade ago, they were as illiterate, helpless, and hungry as our own masses. Who could be more astonished, astonished, than an unfortunate Indian like myself to see how they had removed the mountain of ignorance and helplessness in these few years' activity. Compare the passages written by Shaukat Usmani and Rabindranath Tagore. Read them in relation to source C, D, and E. What did Indians find impressive about the USSR? What did the writers fail to notice? Please turn over. Next page पे आइए. Do your activities also. You can see in the textbook, page number 48. Don't be late. Please open. These are homeworks, activities आपको करने हैं जब भी सेकंड सैटरडे संडे की छुट्टी हो. First, imagine that you are a striking worker in 1905, 1905, who is being tried in court for your act of rebellion, R-E-B-E-L-L-I-O-N, rebellion. Draft the speech you would make in your defense. Act out your speech for your class. Write the headline and a short news. Second question देखिए, write the headline and a short news item about the uprising of 24th October 1917 for each of the following newspapers. A conservative paper in France, a radical newspaper in Britain, a Bolshevik, B-O-L-S-H-E-V-I-K, a Bolshevik newspaper in Russia. Third point क्या है? Third question देखिए. Imagine that you are a middle level wheat farmer in Russia. After collectivization, 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 you have decided to write a letter to Stalin explaining your objections to collectivization. What would you write about the conditions of your life? What do you think would be Stalin's response to such a farmer? You can see in the textbook, page number 48. 48 पेज पर देखिए क्वेश्चंस. ये भी आपका होमवर्क रहेगा. नॉर्मल हॉलीडेज जो भी होंगे 2 बजे के बाद आप एट वंस एट होम यू कैन डू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. व्हाट वर द सोशल, इकोनॉमिक एंड पॉलिटिकल कंडीशंस इन रशिया बिफोर 1905? सेकंड क्वेश्चन. इन व्हाट वेज was the working population in Russia different from other countries in Europe before 1917? कॉपीज़ आप लोगों की चेक हो गई है, हिंदी का भी और SST हिस्ट्री का भी सारा चेक करके हम लोगों ने रख दिया है. फ्रॉम मंडे आफ्टर 16 से जब कॉलेज आएंगे आप उसमें आप नोट बना सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं. मेक 2 lists, one with the main events and the effects of the February Revolution and the other with the main events and effects of the October Revolution. Write a paragraph on who was involved in each, who were the leaders and what was the impact of each on Soviet history. Fifth question. What were the main changes brought about by the Bolsheviks immediately, IMMEDIATELY, after the October Revolution? Sixth question. Write a few lines to show what you know about kulaks, 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 the Duma, women workers between 1900 and 1930, 1930 के बीच की मध्य की श्रमिक औरतें, उनके बारे में. द लिबरल्स, स्टालिन्स कलेक्टिवाइजेशन प्रोग्राम. नेक्स्ट पेज यू कैन सी पेज नंबर 49. 7 7 जा 49. 49 का अंडर रूट क्या हुआ? 7. अब आप नए चैप्टर पर आ जाइए. Nazism and the rise of Hitler. In the spring of 1945, a little 11-year-old German boy called Helmut was lying in bed when he overheard his parents discussing something in serious tones. 1945 में एयर क्रैश में सुभाष चंद्र बोस को लोग बताते हैं जापान की यात्रा में सुरक्षित आ गए, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. अभी तक उनकी डेड बॉडी का पता नहीं लगा. हर साल उनका बर्थडे तो मनाया जाता है बट एक्सपायरी डेट उनका अभी कंफर्म नहीं है, क्लियर नहीं है, इसलिए पुण्यतिथि नहीं मनाई जाती. His father, a prominent physician, deliberated with his wife whether the time had come to kill the entire family, whole family, पूरा परिवार, or if he should commit suicide alone, SUICID, suicide alone. His father spoke, speak का past tense, spoke. His father spoke, उनके पिताजी ने कहा, बोले, about his fear of revenge, saying, now the Allies, ALLIS, दुश्मन, शत्रु. Now the Allies will do to us what we did to the crippled, CRIPPLE, crippled and Jews, Yehudi. The next day, अगले दिन, he took Helmut to the woods. When they spent their last happy time together, singing old children's songs. Later, Helmut's father shot himself in his office. Helmut remembers that he saw his father's bloody uniform being burnt in the family fireplace. 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 So traumatized was he by what he had overheard and that had happened, that he reacted by refusing to eat at home for the following 9 years. He was afraid that his mother might poison him. Next paragraph you can see in the middle part of that page 49. Although Helmut may not have realized all that it meant, his father had been a Nazi and a supporter of Adolf Hitler. पूरा नाम क्या था? Adolf Hitler, ADOLF. Many of you will know something about the Nazis and Hitler. You probably know of Hitler's determinations to make Germany into a mighty power and his ambition of conquering all of Europe. You may have heard that he killed Jews, but Nazism was not one or two isolated acts. It was a system, a structure of ideas about the world and politics. Let us try and understand what Nazism was all about. Let us see why Helmut's father killed himself and what the basis of his fear was. Last para of this page. In May 1945, 1945 के मई महीने में फर्स्ट में लेबर डे होता, श्रम दिवस, Germany surrendered to the Allies, anticipating what was coming. What was coming? Hitler, his propaganda minister Goebbels, 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 and his entire family committed suicide collectively in his Berlin bunker in April. At the end of the war, an international military tribunal at Nuremberg was set up to prosecute prosecute Nazi war criminals for crimes against peace, शांति के खिलाफ. For war crimes and crimes against humanity, Germany's conduct during the war, especially those actions which, see the figure number 1, हिटलर सेंटर में है, बीच में देखिए हिटलर का फोटो एंड गोएबेल्स GOEBBELS एंड गोएबेल्स लेफ्ट साइड बाएं खड़े हैं, चश्मा लगाए हुए, ब्लैक. लीविंग आफ्टर एन ऑफिशियल मीटिंग 1932, राइट साइड उनका शेडो बॉडीगार्ड है. न्यू वर्ड्स. The Allied powers were initially led by the UK and France. In 1941, they were joined by the USSR, United Soviet Socialist of Republics, and USA, United States of America. They fought against the Axis powers, namely Germany, Italy, and Japan. थैंक यू, धन्यवाद. यहीं तक आप रहने दीजिए. नेक्स्ट पेज, नेक्स्ट डे हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. थैंक यू, मेनी थैंक्स ऑल द बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स ऑफ क्लास 9th एंड योर पेरेंट्स ऑफ. इसके बाद अब हम लोग हिंदी पर प्रकाश डालेंगे. धन्यवाद, थैंक यू. गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स.